Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed on this show by the host, ICEs, do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests, yes, do not reflect those of the host and the channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast. First and foremost, I'm your host, MJ. Don't go alone on the red couch. I have my boy.
My name is MQ.
What up, what do you do? Guess who's back? Hey, back again. Guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a scene. Last week I was not here due to the injury. Was it this week? It was last week, yeah. I was not here due to the injury that I had, as you guys can see. Before I go any further, can my boy, welcome.
I think we should have that like kind of let's boop, 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 like let's see drum rolls because I am the superstar. And as my boy have already said, I'd like to invite you and say, come closer. Let's have a good conversation. Let's listen to this amazing episode. It's bad. To MJ has bad news. However, would you like to tell them yourself?
Yeah, Great. That's it. Sure. Listen, so last week, I think so. Can't even barely remember this thing. So was robbed by a Bolt driver, trying to rob me actually because we fought and then he did not get anything. So that's where I get the injury. So that's why I was not able to be partaking. We shoot with Ghost. That was this last week that we were shooting. So I was hospitalized. I have fracture bones in my chest and then in my shoulder, and then I had a dislocated shoulder. The doctor was recommending operation and so on and so forth. So it was a very bad thing. I would like to just, let's say, I'm part of the States now, guys. So anyone out there, make sure to save. Make sure if ever you do utilize a Bolt or anything, maybe have someone or to take you there and make sure that you're safe, or you send a live or anything. Just be safe, guys. So, but I'm alive. I'm grateful. And yeah, that's all I can share, because this thing is Mapo, so they're dealing with it. That's much I can share. And then, yeah, I'm safe. I'm okay. I'm alive. And we're back again. Yes, my boy. What up? What's trending today? What this week has been beside my accident?
So, there has been something going on TikTok. There's a girl called MQ DJ or whatever. I don't remember her name, like exactly.
TikTok or busy lately.
Yeah, and then she was saying she found out ukuthi uSamkelo Shezi was sleeping with uMalema Dosha while he said it's content.
Oh,
so
it makes sense, ne?
Yeah.
So Samgelo ushayitlo allegedly utlofoze uMadosha.
uMalema Dosha.
Because ngekhumbula ngeValentine they went out, ne?
Yes.
They were
so
in Suncoast.
ngathi wayehleli yedwa endlini bemshile kuthiwa kwenza content. Only to find out ukuthi umefika ayibozi yakhala phakathi koMalema Dosha noSamkelo Shade. Samkelo Shade is my friend. I'm not speaking bad about him. No hate, no shade, my friend. However, this is what is happening on the news.
Yeah, I'm good busy.
And Umalema Dosha made a TikTok video, or a video, should I say, because she's also now on Facebook and she's doing good. Apparently, she got hacked also on Facebook, Umalema Dosha. I don't know what happened. So very cute to see. So, Umalema Dosha made a video about the whole matter, explaining everything. Mina sinoSamkelo siyajola uSamkelo umuntu wami, which means this girl is actually
Dating?
Crushing.
Oh.
Samkelo, because Samkelo is dating me. Yeah, bro.
Eh.
And
Oh, by that is Sihle of our director.
so he hasn't said anything about the child, about the whole thing. However, what is
Well, now, what is your take between relationship Kamatosha and Samgel? Because we wanted to invite them as the new lovers.
which I did. I reached
Yeah.
out to them, but they haven't responded.
They haven't
yet.
responded. But busy. Yeah,
Oh,
but now what
but
is your take on? Is it really relationship? No, but public out there. What is your take, maniga?
Bombastic side eye.
Green.
No, for me, oh my God.
Well, Samkelo has been appearing each and every episode we have, because I remember seeing Mbongi igama lakhe laphuma. Saphinde futhi sakhuluma ngelokhuzana angisazi sibesikhuluma noba igama la Samkelo laphuma. Samkelo is busy. What's going on Samkelo noMatosha kahle? Mina when I see abantu abajolai. That's my take.
Before we continue, I would like to actually come for those guys who do not respond when we send emails asking nicely. Please come to our podcast. I do not know noma ngizoti it's a matter of ukuyiphakamisa noma ngizothi it's a matter of ukuzaz.
I think they're busy.
I don't think they're busy. I think they're rude, and I think they do not know other people. I have one person that I'm going to call out in one of the episodes coming up, which is, she's a big star. People love her.
I remember her, but no, let's not make her. I know who you gonna talk about. The one that you called, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, but no, leave it.
Essentially, Guti, I believe Guti, when we're inviting you, just khuluma njengamanje, this is the space for them to actually speak about. Okay, fine. This is not how it happened. This is how it happened.
Yeah.
Because if Tina we speak about you, it's gonna be like, we're chasing clouds. We're not chasing clouds. We're just having conversation that is already in the public.
That's part of our podcast. Because some other time we'll have a guest. Today it's just me and you, and then we talk about all the trending things, and then like analyzing, like reviewing our
so my
current
take
affairs.
my take on the relationship. I don't think it's a relationship. I do think in the road, and the rest it's just him.
What's studying? And Kumbuli, like, is he even still studying or saying the social media man? Yeah, but you know him from Mlazi.
I do.
Yeah,
we're friends, but we've never really spoken about that.
The qualification. Yeah.
I remember what's Betlale race. I don't know what happened afterwards. Is he still staying? I don't know. But I know it's just that I'm so happy for his progress in life. I'm so happy for whatever that is happening. I'm so happy for him receiving gigs.
He's doing really well.
He's doing very well.
Yeah.
However,
I like it when you say however, because something big is coming.
I love him so much, no hate. But qualification is very important.
Academics, guys.
Qualification is very important.
Something.
Because one thing about media is you're gonna be relevant. Trust me, you're gonna be relevant, and for like a month, you're gonna be relevant for like a year, for 2 years. But in the next coming few
media
years,
can make you a break.
no, you need to have something to fall back on, even in life in general. So I hope he's still studying. I don't know anything, but I hope he's still studying, and he's gonna get his qualification and graduate. Laba, Skanando Mutl, you better make me proud. That's one thing I can say.
Cool. Moving on Wednesday this week, Mshieni so for the past weeks, Amanda Tengeko, and then one of the actual patients, the Langalama floods, I think it was Wednesday night, 7 o'clock. If guys were in Dabin, one of the Omelen.
Drink production drink.
So one of the patients allegedly lights a cigarette, ebe fage gas in mask. and then yaqhuma igesi yashisa the current isolation, so isolation kwi-ward lakhe yedwa. And then one of the patients wabona ukuthi ayibo kuyasha iwardini ethile kanjani, and then the actual staff responded to that emergency, and then so do you feel like emshiyeni lezi zinto ezenza amanzi ayaphela, istaff siyateleka nenje? Few years back there was a trending about the ambulance being rude to umuntu ezecishela imali kanje, but ziningi izinto ezenzeka emshiyeni. What's going on emshiyeni?
I'm going to be very honest with you. It's nice ukuthi umalum nathi ukhona and the background he can testify on that part.
Sebenza khona?
No.
Yeah.
The reason I'm saying I like it because he's here. I got sick few days back.
Yeah.
You know that part.
Yeah, I remember.
And then my parents called an ambulance for me. Figure in ambulance.
I know that's a story about an ambulance.
Yafona go past 4. Sengilele sengibuya eclinic sengijoviwe, and then I was getting better. And in my mind I'm like, if they doing this to me, not being that sick, but I'm just sick and yabo, what is going on to other people who have diabetics, who have those serious conditions,
chronic diseases.
And then now just take me back to Uguti. That happened. There was a patient that lied to why all of that. First of all, let's go back. Let's take it upwards to the management.
Yeah,
I've said this today when we had our conversation. Uguti, each and every way when you are hired, you should know your responsibilities as a worker. You should understand why are you hired in the company. Do not just enjoy the benefits only and enjoy the money. Do not and in the process forget about your job. Coca-Cola. So my point would say MCN, I feel like there are a lot of people who are hired. You understand? There are people who are supposed to be actually checking. There should be head of security. There should be people on standby, you understand? There are a lot of people. I
believe also with isolation, they should be under supervision of a certain
my
person.
Point. And I believe with MJ, you know that we have 99.9% unemployment rates in South Africa. And there are people who are sitting at home with their securities, there are people sitting at home with their nurse's qualification, they're not getting a job. But the people
my sister, for an example, she's qualified nurse, but she's not working anyway.
that were fortunate enough to get a space or get a job, they're not doing what they're supposed to do. This goes back to the communities, to the community itself. They're not doing what they're supposed to do. I'm not going to say blame because it's school. It should have taken some accountability.
I think it was that time at the pick up. We were sitting at 100% rain on Wednesday.
Yeah.
I think my bed saying that because I heard this at Kakasini FM. But yenze ngabo 7 go 7 bese kunetha ila imvula isiqinise khona kakhulu, so wathi 1-1 akekho nesomgadile akekho umuntu
wabalela
ngo 7 ekseni entambama
balele wafika balele abenzi lutho emshiyeni we need one of the officials that comes from the head of constitution I don't know
and sit and
to come and actually supervise the whole. First, we don't even need one person. We need a whole team of number. Like I wonder supervise
all department.
The treatment that how people are getting treated. I mean, my goal. Fortunately, I'm gonna be very honest. They were very nice, good team. You understand?
Why? Because you're a superstar.
No, but they were very nice, good team. We started singing as a and then let's see. But the people that we were surrounded with around, oh my God, bruh. Oh my God. How do you have the audacity to shout at someone?
Yeah. No.
How do you tell the person
like I've noticed
stupid? We're slim. Like guys, where are we? In everything, you understand? So hospital.
We were just speaking. We're just focusing mostly in South Coast. Wednesday, since we're on Wednesday, we had a floods, of which it also affected one of your community, and Adams, Makuta, mostly is South Coast. Nami just down the road Mazimtoti. So I don't know what see Mazimtoti or South Coast region in whole. Abantu why they're not fixing the drainage system. Itoti guneta like kancane. The next thing it got flooded. Every time it always gets flooded.
Down the road.
Every time got flooded. all the time. That's the first place it flat con. And that's the main one of the forensic officers. It's the lab. It's actually destroyed, and then we need the evidence. Elapaya, what are they gonna do with the evidence effectively with these floods? Because kona inhlamvu zabantu lava badubula abantu khona inani kulama lab South
Africa. I know there's not enough evidence.
Because with that floods affecting that evidence, that means manga cases of moshakala with that evidence. Because you cannot recreate ukuthi inhlamvu yenze njani or what the case may be. Mhlambe bekunama blood stain or fingerprints or anything. Those things got affected because of people they're not doing their job. They're not fixing the drainage system like South Coast.
I'm tired of having this conversation and include government. Please tell me something. Yazos, you have very relevant things that you want to share.
I have with Hamar, the president, you can relate in this content. What is your take with the content that Tamara? Tamara has been trending for the whole week this week. You better have the straight eye, look. What is your take with Tamara?
First of all, I don't know the lady. I just focus with content because of some other reasons.
Mm-hmm.
However, it's not Impelweni. My grandma used to say, it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. It's not about
wise woman.
Yes, it's not about the tone. It's not about the tone, it's the words. You understand? So I feel like with Tamara, partially she has a point in some of the stuff that she's saying. But partially she's being very insensitive. She's being very selfish. She's being I don't know, because at the same time I'm a man, I'm a gay guy, but obviously I relate to something that he's saying. You understand? So isn't that show you if she speaks the things that she relates about they went through log, I'm sure that went through that are actually going through whatever that she's speaking about. She's speaking about. I feel like Mina, sometimes if you want to be famous, do not go for people. Do not go for people because umuntu ngabantu. You might find ukuthi the person who did not like what you said on social media is the person that's actually there to actually hire you. Actually, is the HR. And then the HR actually relates to what you're speaking about on your content. Young Todd. So it's a matter of just respecting and having a manner of approach in each and everything that you're speaking about. That is how I feel. Other than that, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's strange because we just want to touch base on the social media. Caesar was trending, Dominic was trending, and then all these guys
then for Usizwe was speaking, not taking side.
Yeah.
But Usizwe was saying have a way to speak. But because there was also Mambovu included in the conversation. You understand? Guys,
how is Mambovu included? Because apparently there is Mambovu, there is Usizwe, there is Tamara. How is she included in this triangle?
On that part, I miss Eli Mambovu no Tamara. But I know for a fact to obviously they can only fight on one thing, on being against its content. You understand? Oh, Tamara, it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow. Lamadoda msupportayo. Now, that's okay for her. Her brand is growing. He's growing. You understand? But, brah, you're a woman, for heaven's sake. And then now, I just saw a post to see allegedly she's dating Ikuchukuchu.
What is that?
My friend. So make it make sense ukuthi umuntu okhuluma ngezinto zabantu besilisa lo muntu okhuluma ngani
allegedly ne
I said allegedly when I spoke about it ngicela uhambe ngena ku Lady Lond now and actually
I do not have Facebook on my iPad.
I will actually attach the screenshots and I will send it to our editor, Connors our fact.
Yeah.
So I saw on Lely Londi's page, you would see that apparently, allegedly, she's dating a Pakistan or a Kuchukuchu.
Takazoyiminza masehambisa ingane yofaka isiphandla.
So I'm like, this girl, she speaks bad about someone with Fazan and all of that. But still, she's not even dating abantu besilisa bebezulu. You understand? So, which is why she speaks freely like this. Which is why she supports Amadon. Like, guys, I do not understand umuntu wesifazane odecelwe omunye umuntu wesifazane phansi. Guys, those are the sunflowers.
I think if ever
Israel.
we're looking at the content base, it should support ukuthi she should speak about the gender-based violence, of which it's most of the high cases that we have in South Africa. Also because abantu besilisa bashaya abantu besifazane. She also needs to touch base with ezinye izinto ziyiqinisa kayishows abantu besifazane. Ukuthi they do such things but maybe indlela akayibeka ngayo yena if she wants to create this content she mustn't only focus in females.
Angabe sexist.
Yebo, she needs to just touch base in both males and females because there are people who get raped.
Exactly.
There are people that also force abantu besilisa benza izinto umuntu eyiforcele njengokuthi mhlawumbe usephuzile kanjani njani umuntu wesilisa useyamdlengula kanjani, but those things happened every now and then, but she just needs to touch base in both areas and then it needs to make sure that these things are covered. I do feel and hear iside lasizwe but yeah kuningi.
And then Usizwe was insulted by allegedly Ungizwe.
Umkhulu.
And then Usizwe posted a screenshot ethi wazwanga kuthiwa bhuti angabe ngakwenzani. And manje kubuhlungu because Usizwe usele yedwa labantu ethi basupporta nabo bamaxoki abamsupporti.
No, but bashilo ukuthi ngisho ngadropa kusasa bazokwenza show ukuthi 100 viewers within a day.
Usizwe guys we ghost.
Yeah.
That's one thing about him. He's a superstar that he is.
Mina bengithi Usizwe akadrop manje esatrenda kanje kusabila ibhodo lisabila kanje uthole lo 1 million viewers on YouTube because uyazazi into yakhe and kufanele a trend, and so
And I would always stand with Usizwe Shem.
Time,
He's not
every day.
fighting on how do you do your content. Have a man of approach. It's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. That's my opinion. It's not about what Tamara is saying, it's about how she says it.
And the next thing that was all trending on my social media, the Zenzu Club in Pretoria.
I saw that, but-
They rape you, they allegedly, guys, please do not come for me. I saw those videos I saw on X, they were very traumatizing to seeing people being treated that way, and these things are being posted on the social platform. I don't know, Uguti, how did it even get to that level? Because that guy said he got a lot of video. Why did he not report this thing earlier on the earlier stage? Why did he wait until now? Why now?
Oh, Chom, I have no comment.
It's crazy, ne?
I feel like we live in a very crazy world whereby sometimes you end up asking good sisaphila ngwasiphila or sesiphelezele, you know,
Kuningi,
because
yeah.
it's just a lot that is happening. Allegedly, Dominic was raped
Yeah, boy,
by an
yeah.
ANC member. So nje, I don't like it. Like guys, I'm a fan of Dominic. You know why? Because she stands for the truth. She does not take only the gay side of people. She also speaks for women. She also speaks for men. If you are wrong, you are wrong. And then she's going to take that side. And then I saw also a video, a podcast, Angazi, what's the name of the podcast? Where Angazi, the guy who was on the podcast, was speaking bad about Ntomazane. And then she did a video, Dominic, saying, if umuntu wesilisa was ukhona wesifazane kanje, then that should say a lot about your character.
Oh, the broadcast Leabo, Monaka, and
Yes.
yeah, I saw that.
So for me, it's something that she should apply. Do not take one side of each gender.
It's a nice platform, ne following. So lento she need to like being uzozibin of getting a crown of being. I'm saying once you get a platform, you need to know how to use it. So an example, uzozibini knew ukuthi I'm Miss World now. And then she did make sure ukuthi she goes, make sure all the things as she should go to those support, and then she live up on that thing. So same things ukuthi umuntu mayithole platform njengoTamara manje unama following, but she needs to use it platform yakhe correctly.
I mean, if I was her, when we're looking on the PR side, she should have came back, apologized.
No, but they say she did apologize, but she had an ego on that apology. Same thing yenzeka kubanye ubhuti ethi uyaxolisa waphinde wamosha kakhulu. Hayi asiyekilale.
I think she should come back, apologize with a former constructive explanation. Achaze ukuthi she was not coming for women because sigcina ngosuku sisemhlabeni lana. You never know what's imphethe kuphatheleni. Angazenzi iqhawe lamadoda because amadoda azomgila naye. Ayekho special. She is not special at the end of the day. She must not want to be special. Futhi nona no abangangithuka I don't care. Nabo bayizinja abafana.
How was your Valentine Day?
Hayibo, ngiyajola yini mina?
Cha phela ngiyabuza, like I didn't ask you ukuthi uyajola. When then mina I was hospitalized.
Hayibo, suka manga.
Serious kangula.
Kamala manga MJ. Asimane sidlule le ndaba ye-Valentine. Ngangizofuna
Isenyangeni yothando.
No, ufuna ukukhuluma zakhe indaba ezami uyafuna ukukhuluma. So khuluma into uyafuna ukukhuluma
Valentine yami. Ngiyacela
Yakho
ukuthi
uzokhuluma ngayo ke.
bengilapho boneni.
We ma. Shame. Manzina blue.
Kelly Cooper, the reason why I touched base on that, Kelly Cooper and Arthur were trading this week as well.
Do you literally think they're dating?
But abantu rest in peace ke attack.
Hayibo, MJ.
Masho, it was on the social news. I'm just like, if ever we can
guys,
go to
one thing about me, I'm a big fan of Kaylee. Love her to bits. On the part, what is my take on her relationship with Otta? Badala, they deserve each other. That's something I can say.
And then they said Kelly is expecting, allegedly, angazi ukuthi ingane kakata yini.
Yeah.
And the wedding bells are ringing. Kuningi. I was reading through the social media comments.
Apparently, yazi ukuthi allegedly umfana lo akhumbula ngethi there was a break-in kaMseleko. And then Usibindi Mseleko
yeah.
shot the guy. Apparently, the guy passed away.
Good.
Yeah, so there is an investigation happening.
Good. Speaking of Kamselek, I was looking at the actual.
No, wait. I want to ask you this question before you even close because you know the family personally.
Yeah, I'm not closing though. I wanted to speak about it.
Ngibuza. Kodwa ayibo ngiyabuza mina.
Yeah.
Do you think Selek is broke?
No, he's not. He's not well.
Okay. The questions. No, this question is not coming from me. It's coming from social media. I was going through the conversation.
Yeah, I saw.
The question was, why would a rich man do not have a medical aid? Not even one of the wives has a medical aid. Why do they have to contribute in order for pay
him to be
the hospital bills when he is a fully rich man? So what's your take on that part?
I know Guti is not broke, but I think maybe into Felix Lopez said he doesn't have a medical aid. He took a hospital plan due to Guti. He doesn't get sick. So most of the time, if mungagulu low keep ukokama 1,000, and the thing is umsele kunamakhosikazi amaningi, and the other thing is lama medical aid. Most of the things uyabenzela amakhosikazi akhe. I wanted to just looking at that way and knowing ukuthi mhlambe wengagula umuntu ongagula, and then doesn't see the importance of having a medical aid, of which it's also partaking kwilento engade ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo with them Selegu episodes, ye depression and anxiety, of which one of the ingane the small one
oh my god, I love Mnene
yeah,
so much.
and that Umawake was diagnosed with depression, and then she had to be admitted. And then that thing also affects Ingane, seeing that child with Carl, that's a childhood trauma, and missing umzali wakho nan. Depression is serious. What is your take in depression and anxiety? And I remember one of our guests, Sibe now, also talked about what a social media bully also affects him with a lot of anxiety. And now, what is your take in depression and anxiety?
Mina nginayi-take mina hlephula impama nje kuphela angangijwayele
Kuzoyiboshwa.
anginaso nje isikhathi uzolokhu ngibhulisha anginaso isikhathi. You will speak, I will sue the shit out of you. Make sure that your pocket is filled up with a lot of money so that you can be able to pay me back. Because I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. Make sure that when you speak about me, you're gonna be able to actually pay me back when I sue you. That's the only thing I can say. No one is gonna bully me. I'm here to actually make a word for myself. I'm here to make sure that myself and my brand do not come for me, because nothing is gonna win for you. Nothing's gonna happen for you. That's the only thing I can say.
That's what you can say. Do you have anything that you want us to touch base on, friend?
No, I have nothing.
Big Brother, who do you think is gonna win?
I don't like Big Brother. I'm not a fan.
Not a fan.
But I believe Bani Mbuzi, the Mbuzi.
Mbuzi the Mbuzi.
Yeah, I believe we're going to hear
People
something.
People are gunning for sweet guluva. I don't know, but yeah, that's my take. That's what I have, guys. On my side, Okanyile Ongwane. My boy, what you got to say?
I'm just saying goodbye, good night, have a good one.
One more time, City.
Do not
like, follow, subscribe, follow. Good night. Bye.